I'm Jonathan Plummer from Electronic Manufacturing Solutions. We're a subcontract electronic manufacturer, so we provide an electronics assembly service for a range of different customers in a range of different industries. We've been using FactoryMaster for about 15 years now. It's been a flexible, adaptable system. It's been something which is scalable to our requirements over the years. Over 15 years, the company's changed quite a lot. Provided a lot of different modules within one package for data capture processes, from production through purchasing, sales orders, through delivery and invoicing. And generally speaking, there's always a solution to it in some way. We can find a way to make things work with the control flags and options within the system. That would be the forecast stock summary. Something that you can, any point in the system, whether it's a manufactured part number, a component part number, run the forecast stock and you get instant status of the situation in terms of what stock's coming in, what stock we got, what's work in progress, when's the stock going to run out, or is everything in line, does everything work in terms of the scheduling of a particular part. So it's also very useful to check the input of a sales order, a purchase order, straight after its completion as well. Yes, I would recommend FactoryMaster to others. It is a very sort of straightforward system to pick up. Although there's lots of different aspects and modules to it, it is flexible enough for companies of different sizes. So it's something that it could be from a very basic level that someone just needs a purchase order, sales order function, and then they may build upon that. They may discover that they grow and they bring in quality aspects. Equally, with a company that's already established, it provides a lot of those modules. We ourselves have not used too many of the additional access solutions, but there are lots of other functions that seem to be available to bolt on, enhance the product, or to provide further functionality as well. Within our organisation, we've started to look at AI in terms of what we have, because we don't own the product, we manufacture products for other people. So it's a lot of interpretation of data that's trying to do the same thing, but different formats of data from different customers with different requirements, different layouts. Some of it's clean, some of it's messy, and AI can start to help us to clean that up quicker, to make comparisons. Sometimes customers are not clear about what's changed from one revision to the next, so it can help us see what that is. There's a lot of other opportunities for automation potentially within purchasing processes, within sales processes, invoicing, dispatch processes, but what they all are, I think, a little bit unclear at the moment, and it's people trying to understand the process. Part of, I think, today has been for Access to try to understand what people are looking for as well, because it's a tool that can do something, but what is it they need to do?